So, nandito na kami sa Venetian. Captain of Chanel. Nag-iingay na sila, guys. She's living her life, even if she acts like she don't want the limelight. But if you do it, she lives the life. She calls her paparazzi, then she acts surprised. Oh, I know what she needs. She just wants fame. I know what she thinks. Give it a taste, running back to me. Put it in the place, pay it so to keep. Ooh, every night. She prays to the sky, flashing lights. It's all she ever wants to do. Begging on her knees to be popular. Bites her dreams to be popular. Kill anyone to be popular. Sell her soul to be popular. Popular, just to be popular. Everybody scream 'cause she popular. She mainstream 'cause she popular. Let her be free 'cause she popular. Money on top of me, money on top of her. Money on top of me, money on top of her. Money on top of me, money on top of her. Money on top of me, money on top of her. Money on top of me, money on top of her. Money on top of me, money on top of her. The reality. The reality po. Nang magpapapicture ka ta. Ano ba yan? Grabe! Magpapapicture ka ta. Ano ba yan? Ano, likod ko ka na muna. Grabe! Ikaw dati. I'm sorry. So, yan, pupunta na kami sa The Londoner. Yes! So, dito yung Parisian. Ano? Oo.
Londoner. Itong Londoner, Parisian dyan.
Ito yung London. Okay. So, pupunta na kami. Nauna na sila Mama Riri kasi pagod na yung mga thunders. Thunders. So, kami, gagala pa kami kasi we are fun. We are fun, Daddy. So, kanina medyo nahahay na ako. Sakit talaga ng ulo ko. Ininuman ko lang ng gamot, guys. Buti lang may gamot si Unggoy. Thanks to her. So, makakapag gala-gala pa. At sobrang grabe yung lightings ng GoPro. Okay. Tara. So, ayan guys, pauwi na kami. Babalik na kami sa hotel and we're just going to buy some Jollibee. Then, pahinga na. So, ang ganda dito sa Macau, guys. I think you're gonna love here because we love it so much. At nagkalat na yung eyeliner ko ng bonggang-bongga. So, hinahanap natin guys si Jollibee.
Trying Jollibee for the first time.
What? Ay, si Jollibee. Nasa taas si Jollibee. Shit. Unggoy, nakikita ko na siya. Si Jollibee. Ayun na si Jollibee. So guys, nandito na kami sa Jollibee. We just ordered some chicken and burger steak with extra rice. And dito na kami kakain para hindi na mga malis sa hotel. So, yeah. Ito na.
Parang pinasabot yung
Oh my God.
Like, it's been a while. Na siya, guys. Oh my God. It's been a while.
Bakit ang bilis na yun?
Bakit is bakit?
4 gig na lang.
5 gigs ka, diba? Bilis naman.
Oo nga pala. 5 gig na.
And this is the burger steak. Oh my God, guys. Ito talaga yung pinunta namin dito sa Macau, eh. That's it, guys. Sadaki. Sadaki, mas.
Daddy's for me, she don't pop up. Daddy's for me, she don't pop up. When you on top of me, when you on top up. When you on top of me, when you on top up.
So, hi guys. Nandito na kami sa hotel. And it's already 12 na. Magta-12. So, papahinga na kami. And tomorrow, our plans is pupunta muna kami ng The Fisherman's Wharf. Wharf. Then, baka pumunta rin kaming Kotay Strip. Hindi ko lang sure kung pupunta pa ba kami. And, bibili kami nung Margaret's Cafe. Yung ano nila dun. Tart ba yun? Tart? Basta masarap daw yun eh. Kasi nakikita namin siya. So, yeah, hindi pa kami nakakain ng tart. So, yun yung goal namin for tomorrow. And then, diretso na kami sa Hong Kong. Mauna kami sa Hong Kong kasi yung mga kasama namin, pagod na sila and gusto lang na mag-chill. Kaya mauna na kami. Good luck sa amin tomorrow. So, we will continue our journey tomorrow. So, good night, guys! See you tomorrow!